So right now we're gonna go over installing a high peak gutter on your tent. Okay, we have it inside and outside of the gutter. Okay, there are clips right here that will actually wrap right around the leg area, and we have Velcro as well as clips. By making sure that I have this fed through here, I'm going to send this loop around the pipe, hook that up. We can either clip to the sidewall rope, or you can use this Velcro strap to go around the pipe and up. Okay, for now, I am going to put this on with the clips because in order to sometimes get it around, I have tensioned this top down. It is pretty tight. It's a little difficult to get my fingers in there. But what we're gonna do is just take our clips and keep clipping the sidewall rope straight down the tent until we get to the end. And then we're gonna do the other side and we'll show you the finished product in a moment. Want to show you our West Coast frame gutters. A lot of times if you're putting two West Coast frames together, even if you're putting a West Coast frame like a marquee or something up to a larger pole tent, you might need to put a gutter to keep the rain diverted. Our gutters are made out of vinyl. They clip onto the sidewall rope, they clip around the end poles, and they're available in a variety of lengths, 10 foot, 20 foot, 30 foot, and 40 foot.
If the high peak gutter follows the valance and gets wide on both ends, this goes from narrow to wide in one direction.